Hello again, you guys. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Flavors of the Month kit layout for the scrap room. We are playing with the Echo Park. It's springtime portion of the Flavors of the Month kit this month. Remember, the Flavors of the Month kit comes with 4 different collections, each portion. So you get 4 different collections. Each of those little mini kits comes with 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper, and some embellishments. I'm going to show you what I got because a lot of times the embellishments vary. The paper and the cardstock are always the same. And then you can always get more by adding a double shot kit, which you get 2 more collections, by adding the pattern paper add-in, which will add pattern paper to each of your Flavors of the Month portions. Embellishment add-in, which will add embellishments to each of your Flavors of the Month portion. And there's always the Shots of Life kit, which just added more. So more is more. All these kits are amazing. ScrapRoom is awesome. It's seriously my favorite. I've been a huge fan for a long time, and it's a blessing to be on the design team. So today I'm going to play with a sketch that was put out this month by Lisa on the design team. She created the sketch for us today. Lovely chunks, 2 photos, some tags up on the top. Love it. Great springtime layers for you with this collection. I'm going to show you what you all get in this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit, and then we will create with that sketch, and I'll go pick out some photos. I don't have photos picked out yet. So first you get 2 sheets of just some white cardstock. They are textured on one side, smooth on the other, so you have a choice there. And then we've got 3 pieces of pattern paper. Do I have them all? So this is Pretty Plaid. It's this purpley pink color. I don't even know how to describe. Is it like a lilac? It's really hard to tell, but it's gorgeous. It's this polka dot. On the back is the plaid that they are referring to in the title. So this is really the B side then. So this is, like I said, Pretty Plaid. And then you're going to get Chirping Friends, which is this beautiful B side of this plaid saltwater taffy color. And then the gorgeous, cute little birds all on the branches with some butterflies and bees sprinkled in on the other side. And last but not least, you get Busy Beehive, named by these bees on the back side, but then the hives are on the opposite side with the little flower clusters on each side. So beautiful papers that we get to play with for this collection. I'm going to flip over to this purple side, and we're going to look at the embellishments that I got. They are going to vary per kit. You are not going to get the same embellishments I got, but you will get similar. Oh, and this is so funny. I've got a very similar color of enamel dots in my Pink Fresh kit. Very similar colors for both those collections this spring, but there's this like corally, pinky, peachy, saltwater taffy, if you will. Yes. Ooh, actually, this one matches a little bit more of Tattered Rose from Distress Oxides. I was looking at my swatches, sorry. But you're going to get 1 row of enamel dots. Those are going to vary per kit, so you might get a different color. And then we've got their ephemera. You're going to get a 3rd pack. So however she divides up the pack, it's going to vary what you get. Sometimes they're different. So I get some pieces that says Blue Skies and Butterflies. It says Tiptoe Through the Tulips. I love that. Little banner. Fresh picked spring flowers. This circle with a flower in it. Ooh, some like Let's Be Nomies. Happiness Blooms From Within. Those are great card sentiments. Stop and Smell the Flowers. This plaid frame in the insert that says Spring Has Sprung. And then this little piece that's just a flower cluster. So that's what I got in my kit. So I'm going to go ahead and get to cutting papers down for this lovely sketch by Lisa. And I'm going to pick out a couple photos. I think I'm going to stay true to the sketch, and we're just going to pick out 2 photos. We're going to use our cardstock. We're going to use pattern paper. We're going to do so many fun things. And I'm going to get some dies out to die cut some tags. Wow, my brain whoosh, gone. Because I definitely want to play with some tags. I like that idea. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to go pick some items out, and we will be back. All right, I've done some gutting and futzing with the papers, and I think I finally have down what I want for this page. So I found 2 photos of my son and I meeting a friend's baby for the first time. So I was going to put those down. I gut this purple paper and I trimmed down one of the white cardstocks, and then the back of the purple is this plaid, so I kind of finagled it so I could have the plaid go around the purple, so I get to use both. I really love this bird and floral paper, so that's gonna go up behind it like so. I've got 2 photos, and then these are gonna be my 2 pieces that are gonna be under here, layering on top of each other. But I thought I could use a little something around the edges of this one, especially because it's white, but also just to stand out, to make the white kind of mute a little. And then I might do 3 tags instead of 2. So I grabbed these 3 papers. I have these 3 papers. I might just do tags out of these 2, but I thought a 3rd one with the purple might be kind of fun to bring that in. So I'm still toying with that idea, but I'll show you that here in a second. And I'm going to show you how I like to cut tags just out of whatever I have. But I wanted to maybe add a little mixed media or something behind this, just in the soft. I'm trying to decide if I want to bring in some of the blue, maybe. The blue to me looks like tumbled glass, I think, or maybe even broken china. I think tumbled glass. So I'm going to grab some tumbled glass, and I'm going to go grab some of my mixed media stamps. I'm going to do a little bit of stamping in the background where this stuff's going to go. But in the meantime, I'm going to ink the edges of just this paper in that blue to really make it pop a little bit more. But I'm going to glue these pictures down, ink these edges, and then I'll show you with the stamping what I pick out where we're going to put it. Like I said, it's just going to be a little, just to add something in the background, and then we'll glue things down and I'll show you how to make a tag. Okay, so I have this Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous, and this is just a little bit of distress. It almost looks like it's going through a screen of some kind, but I thought it'd be a nice soft addition to what we're trying to do. So I'm going to prime my stamp. I don't want it to be perfect. It's one of those stamps that's it's not perfect on purpose already, but I don't want it to be perfect also. So I think I am gonna put it in a block. I wasn't going to, but I think I will put it on a block, just for some ease. I got some blue down there, so I might as well stamp down there a little. I just wanted to add something, because like I've said before, I don't know if any of you know this, but like I'm not a white paper kind of person. Just to add a little bit of something. I like that. And then we're going to do up here too, because that's where the tags are going to be. Just giving a little bit of something. Just something, a little bit of something, and then we're gonna add some splatters just because that's fun. My ink pad. And I'm going to spritz with some water. And grab one of my paintbrushes. And we're gonna just add some splatters. And then I'll get everything glued down and I'll show you how to cut a tag. I made 3 tags out of scraps, and I'm gonna show you how I do that with this scrap. So I fold it just like I would do. So if I did a banner, I would cut from the corner inward, right? If I want to do a tag and make it even, I just cut the corners off. And then it's the shape of a tag. And then I use my handy hole punch or a regular punch, and I cut the hole. Learned that from, I think Sandy? Was it Sandy? I don't remember. Okay. So I looked at the sketch really quick again from Lisa. I was trying to figure out for sure what I wanted my title to be, but I know I want to use these lovely enamel dots.
What are you doing?
And I kind of want to use this Let's Be Nomies because we're meeting a new baby. So that is that. So I think I'm not going to use a ton because I have a lot of words on mine, but I could put this there. That would look kind of cute. My son is gaming with some friends and he doesn't know how to not sing along apparently.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go find some alphas and make a title that says nice to meet you or something similar to that.
No.
I'm going to put my title up there with some alphas. I'm going to add some of the enamel docs, and then you guys will have some close-ups. So thank you so much for joining. Make sure you check out the ScrapRoom website. Go order yourself some Flavors of the Month kit this month, and check out the Facebook group and join the challenges and see what everybody else is creating for kits this month. We'll see you next time. Bye.